Okay, in class, I think I told you about designing the wall handle. I wasn't going to do a video, but I am going to get one done here for you. So if you go into your classroom, here you see the picture of the wall handle. I thought this was a pretty basic design, but it seems most people are having a problem with it. So what we're going to start here by doing is creating a circle. Okay, you see that first circle is 3 inches in diameter. So I just want you to pay attention to that. And then if you look over here, it shows that that circle extrudes 1 inch. Then we need to come back into our picture and put another circle on top of that with 1.75 as the diameter, and then we extrude that 1 inch. And we're going to save that as wall handle. So I wanted to identify those dimensions before I get started drawing, because I'm just going to stay in the same screen. So go ahead and do our new part like we always do. Again, be patient with it, let it load. You're going to do 2D sketch and XY plane. Like I just said, we're going to start with our circle tool, and we're going to draw a circle, and we're going to make this circle 3 inches in diameter. So we have to hit dimension, click the edge of our circle, move our mouse, and then make that dimension 3 inches. Obviously it zooms out really big, so I'm going to hit the front of my cube to verify that I can see it and that it's 3 inches, and it is. So I'm going to finish my sketch, and again I'm going to hit my house here so that it is centered for me. We need to extrude that 1 inch, and there it is. We have our first part of our wall handle. In order to draw the other circle, we need to hit 2D sketch, click on the front, and we're going to draw another circle in the middle of this. So draw your circle and dimension that circle to be 1.75, which is obviously half the distance of the previous circle. Finish your sketch and extrude that inner circle at 1 inch and hit OK. And here you have your wall handle. So you can go to File, Save As, and we're going to call this wall handle. And before I forget, just make sure you're saving it to the places that you want to. For you, I think many of you are looking for your name. I created a specific folder, so that is where mine is.